How to apply and manage your Sam's Club Mastercard online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to apply and manage your Sam's Club Mastercard online. So let's get started. First thing, just go to your Sam's Club website and just head over to your credit card section and just fill in your personal as well as your financial details and just follow along the on-screen instruction to submit the application. And once approved, create or log into your Sam's Club online account to access your MasterCard and simply manage your payments. So to check your balance, make payments and set up automatic payments or alerts for due dates. So once you do all of that, just view your Sam's Card rewards and see how much you have earned from purchases and update your personal info such as contact details and payment methods anytime from your dashboard as an account setting. So if you keep your card linked to your online account, makes it easy to stay on top of spending rewards and payments without visiting a store. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.